T3E stands for Test, Trials, Training and Evaluation, and that's the new name for what was previously known as the LTPA. T3E really better describes what the contract is for and actually what services users and customers can access. There's been no changes to the LTPA contract. What this effectively is just better describing the services that we require to be fit for the modern age as articulated in the integrated review.
The T3E brings a range of capabilities to UK defence, not only across an extensive range of air, sea and land test and evaluation ranges, but also across a range of other niche capabilities, whether it be acoustic signature management, environmental test chambers, or indeed the sectioning down of munitions to test for munition life. And ultimately this is about supporting delivery teams and frontline customers to bring capabilities into service, ensuring that they're safe to operate for the frontline customers.
Across the whole of QinetiQ, safety is paramount and important at all times. And it's vitally important that we keep our people, our customers and our partners safe. The long-term partnering agreement has been in place since 2003, but has undergone a very rapid transformation since 2017. Together with the Ministry of Defence, we've invested over £300 million to improve the output and the capability.
Over the last year, we've seen significant activity across all of the sites where we offer T3E services. We've seen support to activities as diverse as the UK's national deterrent, the generation of a carrier strike group. We've also seen a number of investments mature over the last year, including new maritime signature ranging facilities, new weapons assessment capabilities, and the completion of a series of investments into St Kilda and the Hebrides.
The T3E services are available for anybody to inquire to use outside of the UK MOD. That could be other government departments, could be industry, could be small businesses, could be academia, could be international users. And what we can deliver through those T3E services can be made bespoke for those users depending on what it is they want to achieve. So as an example, the United States Air Force Europe come and use the UK MOD Aberporth range.
In the next 5 years, I think we're going to start a period of kind of continuous change. We're going to see more digital test and evaluation. We're really starting that journey. We've come to recognise the importance of the data that we hold and how we make best use of that to reduce the amount of live activities we have to do. That's good for the environment and that plays towards our commitment towards net zero as well.
Digital test and evaluation will enable us to store data in a structured way to enable people to access it. How we create that evidence and that data, and that will move more to modelling and simulation as we go forward, as well as live events to validate that data. And then how we can gain insights from that data through using techniques such as data analytics.
We're seeing an increasing demand for test and training coming together, really delivering mission rehearsal and operational readiness training for our customers. So the coherence between test and evaluation and training will give a far better output for our customers, but also deliver much increased efficiency.
The T3E services really enable us to support international allies through joint exercises, coalition exercises. So as an example, in 2021, the Formidable Shield exercise took place again at the UK MOD Hebrides range, where 10 NATO nations came together to be able to test and train together and to see how they operate together and to really test the interoperability of their capability in a multinational exercise.
T3E is a unique capability, possibly one without real peer globally. We're constantly seeking ways to provide better benefit to defence, critically looking at exploiting new technologies, improving that ultimate level of assurance, really understanding the performance parameters of capabilities, driving safety, driving through life assurance. Ultimately, this is a key capability that will help ensure that the UK maintains a battle-winning edge now and in the future.